Hello and welcome. Today we're going to show you how to add a new credit or debit card to your Grassroots Labs account. First, log in to the Grassroots Labs website with your username and password. Second, navigate to your account drop-down menu, which is the button in the top of the screen with your name on it. If this button does not show your name and instead says log in, you are not logged into the Grassroots Labs website. In your account drop-down menu, click the Account Profile button. In your account profile, click on the Credit Card button. If you have any saved credit cards in your account, you will see them displayed here. Click on the Add New Credit Card button. Please note that you can also add debit cards the exact same way as we are adding credit cards here. Enter the card information along with the type of credit card and click Add. And that's it! You can now use your updated credit card or debit card information to make purchases on the Grassroots Labs website. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we look forward to serving you soon.